What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a battery charging speed test of POCO C65 or the Xiaomi Redmi 13C smartphone to see how much time it's going to take in charging the battery from 0% to 100%. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So the POCO C65 comes with 5000 mAh battery and 18 watt fast battery charging capability, but it comes with just 10 watt charger in the retail box, so this is what we will use for this testing purpose along with the cable provided in the retail box. As you can see, the battery is totally dead, it is not even switching on. So let's start our test and let's see how much time it's going to take. So after 1 minute, now the device is finally getting some juice, 2% after 1.5 minutes. After 10 minutes, it's 9%. It's an hour now, and now the battery is charged to 52%. So let's switch on the device now. It's 2 hours now. Let's have a look on the battery status, and it is at 91%. If we go to the battery settings, you can see that it is showing that it will take 16 minutes more in charging the battery from 91% to 100%. So now it's 2 hours 12 minutes, battery percentage is at 97, and it is showing that it will take 7 minutes more. 2 hours 15 minutes and the battery is at still 98%. So as you can see, it is showing it will take 5 minutes more. So the battery is charging a bit slowly now. And now the battery is fully charged after 2 hours 24 minutes. So as you can see, it suddenly changed from 3 minutes remaining to 100% full. It took 2 hours 24 minutes using our 10 watt charger. So if you get the 18 watt charger, then you can expect a bit better results, and the battery must be charged fully from 0% to 100% in around 2 hours. But if you use the charger provided in the retail box, then it will take around 2 hours 25 minutes, more and less depending on how you are using the device while it is being charged. So that's all for now friends, thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.